ECS, or Elastic Container Service, is a fully managed container orchestration service that is simpler to set up and use. It integrates well with other OS services, making it a great choice if you want a straightforward solution without needing to manage the underlying infrastructure. On the other hand, EKS, or Elastic Kubernetes Service, provides a more complex and powerful orchestration platform based on Kubernetes. This option is ideal if you need advanced features and flexibility, especially if you're already familiar with Kubernetes. Think of ECS as a ready-to-use kitchen where everything is set up for you, while EKS is like a customizable kitchen where you can choose your appliances and tools to create exactly what you want. In summary, your choice between ECS and EKS should depend on your specific needs for simplicity versus flexibility in managing your container workloads. With ECS, you don't have to worry about the complexities of cluster provisioning and scheduling. It's designed to make these processes straightforward and user-friendly. One of the standout features of ECS is its integration with Fargate, which allows you to run serverless containers. This means you can focus on your applications without needing to manage the underlying servers. The management of the cluster is almost invisible, so you can spend more time developing your applications rather than dealing with infrastructure. Think of it like a restaurant where you just order your meal, and the kitchen takes care of everything else. You don't need to know how the food is prepared or how the kitchen is managed, you just enjoy your meal. In summary, ECS provides a simple and efficient way to manage containers, allowing developers to concentrate on building applications rather than managing infrastructure. With EKS, you get some control over cluster and node management, which means you can customize certain aspects while still benefiting from the ease of a managed service. You can also use all the native tools available in the Kubernetes ecosystem, which is great for developers who are already familiar with those tools. To visualize how EKS works, think about the architecture. In ECS, which is another service from OS, deployment happens through an OS scheduler and task definitions. In contrast, EKS uses a Kubernetes control plane to manage the coordination of pods and node groups. This means that EKS takes care of the heavy lifting involved in managing the Kubernetes environment. In summary, EKS simplifies running Kubernetes while giving you flexibility and access to powerful tools. In this process, we will set up several important components, including a virtual private cloud, VPC, IAM roles for permissions, and CloudWatch logs for monitoring. The goal is to ensure that both deployments can scale properly under load. We will conduct performance metrics comparisons during load testing to see how each deployment handles traffic. For validation, we will check the health of the pods and tasks, ensure that auto-scaling is functioning correctly, and review the logging to capture any issues. Think of it like preparing a restaurant for a busy night. We want to make sure everything is in place to handle the customers efficiently. In summary, we will deploy our microservices app, set up the necessary infrastructure, and validate the performance and scaling capabilities of both deployments. When deciding between ECS and EKS, it's helpful to have an exam-safe approach. ECS is great for simplicity and offers tight integration with all services, making it easier to manage. On the other hand, EKS is ideal if you're looking to leverage the Kubernetes ecosystem and need advanced customization options for your applications. Think of it like choosing between a ready-made meal and a gourmet dish. ECS is like the ready-made meal, quick and easy, while EKS is the gourmet dish that requires more preparation but offers more flexibility and control. To recap, both ECS and EKS are strong options, and your choice should depend on your workload patterns and management preferences. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which advanced DOS topic you'd like to dive into next.